Come, let's learn 20 action verbs in English. Clap. I clap when I'm happy. Hug. I hug my mom tightly. Run. I run fast like a cheetah. Jump. I jump like a kangaroo. Eat. I eat my food. Drink. I drink milk every day. Read. I read books like a wise owl. Sing. I sing songs happily like a bird. Dance. I dance happily like a peacock. Swim. I swim fast like my grandpa. Play. I play with my friends. Sleep. I sleep on my bed. Speak. I speak a lot with my friends. Wash. I wash my hands before eating. Climb. I climb trees like a superhero. Cook. I cook food like a chef. Clean. I clean my home with my mom. Throw. I throw the ball to my friend. Catch. I catch the ball like a goalkeeper. Listen. I always listen to my teacher. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.